students. Hope you all are well. This is Shetu Mitro, lecturer, Department of Agricultural Studies, Milestone College, Uttara, Dhaka. Now you all are welcome to my today's discussion class.
Today I will discuss about experiment Nong 9, and the name of the experiment is purifying onion, potato and mustard seed. From the previous experiments, you already knew that you have to use right side page of your practical notebook. Here you can see a image of your practical notebook page. In this slide, you can see first you have to write the experiment name, that is purifying onion, potato and mustard seed. And in the place of experiment Nong, you have to write 9 and then you have to write the page Nong and that date. And the date will be the submission date. Every experiments have some principles. These experiments also some principles, that is why we purified seeds, because the seed may contain germs, and if the diseased seed is sown in the plant will also be diseased. That is, the yield of the crop is reduced, so we need to treat it, and the process by which the seed is purified is called seed purification. And in this experiment, the seed purification process of onion, potato and mustard seed is shown below, and the seed purification process of all types crop seed is same. In every experiment, some materials are required, and you can see 3 images in this slide. These are the required materials of this experiment. Firstly, we need seed. In the first slide, you can see onion seeds. The seeds are black in color and the seeds are very small in size. Sometimes onion bulbs are used as seed. In the second image, you can see the tuber of potato. This potato tuber is used as seed. Sometimes whole potato tuber is used as one seed, and sometimes the tuber are cut into pieces and then it is used as seed. In the third image, you can see 2 types mustard seed. One type seed is yellowish in color and another type seed is black. Our second required materials is fungicide. Here you can see a bottle of Vitavex 200. Vitavex is a well-known fungicide, and generally we use Vitavex fungicide more, and this is very useful fungicide. Our third required material is a seed purifying machine. In this machine, we use to purify the seed. Then a balance or scale. In this machine, we measure the Vitavex solution and the seed. Now the working procedure. How we complete the seed purification we discussed now. Firstly, we keep the specific amount of purified seed in the drum. Basically, we need some seeds. It may be 2 kg, 1 kg, 3 kg or 5 kg. Then we keep 3 gram Vitavex 200 for per kg seed in the tin or drum. In our country, a tin machine or a big drum is used for seed purification. And if our seed is 5 kg, then 15 gram Vitavex 200 is required. Then we move tin in which the seeds are kept. We move the drum with its hand, and we mix the seed with Vitavex properly. In this slide, you can see two images. These images are seed purifying machines. In this machine, we poured seeds, fungicides, and then mixed them. After that, the seeds are purified. Then the purified seed is used for producing crop. These seeds are sown in the seed bed or directly in the field. Precautions. Every experiment has some precautions. Firstly, we have to cover the nose and mouth with cloths while mixing the Vitavex solution. If any person have dust allergy or any kind of allergy, he must be most conscious. Then we have to wash our hands with soap after sowing seed, because the Vitavex 200 is a fungicide and it is poisonous for us. So we should wash our hands properly. My dear students, if you have any queries or questions about today's lesson, today's experiment, you can ask your subject teacher. They must help you. My dear students, this is all for today's discussion. Thank you all.